Hello there everybody. In this short tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can add motion tracking to Camtasia. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So first, I'm going to get a video of me moving around the Rubik's Cube. So I'm just going to mute the audio. And this is what it looks like. So let's say you want to blur out the Rubik's Cube throughout the video. So if you go into annotations and then blur, now if we just resize it and place it here, you'll see that that doesn't work because the Rubik's Cube is still moving around everywhere. So I'm going to show you how you can blur the Rubik's Cube as it is moving around. This can be with any item, but for this tutorial, I will use a Rubik's Cube. So first, get an animation and choose the custom animation. Okay, and now just do this. And now zoom in. Just like this. You can see the video. So once you think there's a good place, just put the blur there, and now the animation will be placed. So now you just keep doing this, and when the clip is over, you'll see that the Rubik's Cube will be blurred out completely even while it's moving around. So just do this real quick. So now if we go back and we look at the video, you'll see that it follows the Rubik's Cube now. Now I'm going to complete this, and when I'm done, I'll show you the finished product. Alright, now that I'm finished, we can now check it and see if there's any mistakes within it that we can fix. So let's just do this. So for me, there's that much, but yours might not have that much moving in it, so it wouldn't look like that. But let's just see this video right now. So as you can see, it's nicely blurred out, but maybe there could be some minor fixes to it. Like over here, we can just move that. And also, I forgot to tell you, you can also change the size of the blur or whatever you're using on the image to match what it looks like. So that means you can do this, or this, or you can also turn it on a certain angle. That's what I do, but you just check. So as you see over here, you see this, yeah, you can just move it over, and then here you saw this. Let's do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just check it again. So as you can see, it's pretty nicely blurred out. So that's how you add motion tracking into Camtasia. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please click that like button below. Feel free to subscribe as well. Anyways, I'll be seeing you all in the next one.